Hello everyone, my name is Dimitris, and in this presentation we are going to talk about the immersive narration called Galactic Explorer AR Space Adventure, which I created using augmented reality technology. First of all, an introduction about the theme of the AR narrative and the idea behind it will be presented. Then we will display the main characters of the narrative. Later we will analyze the theme of the story, the plot, and the connection between characters. Next, we will see the key interactions of this immersive story. Afterwards, we will discuss how the idea to make this type of narration came up. In addition, we will examine the creative process of the narration along with its learning goals. Lastly, a conclusion will be presented. So, the main theme of the AR narrative is space exploration. I've always had this deep fascination with space and the mysteries of our universe. The idea of venturing beyond our planet, exploring distant celestial bodies, and uncovering the secrets of the cosmos has always held a special place in my heart. I always wanted to discover what lay beyond the stars. So, this is why I created this AR immersive story, where users become space explorers, journeying through our very own solar system. In that way, they can explore distant planets across our solar system. I would love to share this concept with you and dive into the details of this narrative. It's a thrilling journey through space that combines exploration, science, and the thrill of discovery. So let's begin. The characters of the story are two. Captain Astrid, which is player's character. This is an astronaut that players control, equipped with a state-of-the-art spacesuit and a high-tech AR visor that assists him in analyzing data and mission control. The voice of a woman named Christina that guides and supports from Earth, providing mission updates, objectives, and scientific insights. So, let's explain the story now. In the not-so-distant future, humanity has advanced its space exploration capabilities. Players assume the role of a skilled astronaut named Astrid, on a mission to explore the wonders of our solar system. The journey begins on Earth, where players receive a transmission from Mission Control. The Mission Control is a woman named Christina, who belongs to a team of scientists and experts who communicate with Captain Astrid and provide valuable information about the planets and the cosmic phenomena he encounters. Mission Control informs players that a rare cosmic event is about to occur in the solar system, opening a temporary wormhole that connects all planets. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to gather valuable data and resources from each celestial body. So this is where the story begins, and Captain Astrid has to travel to different planets across the galaxy and collect information. Players start on Earth, where they receive their mission briefing and prepare for their journey. The first objective is to gather a sample of Earth's unique flora. Next, they have to travel to Mercury's surface and retrieve a unique rock sample. Afterwards, they must go to Venus and analyze Venus' atmosphere and gather data. Later, they have to travel to Mars and study its landscape and collect samples of Martian soil. Subsequently, they need to travel to Jupiter and study Jupiter's atmosphere, its magnificent storms, and its powerful magnetic fields. The next destination is Saturn. There, players will collect data from its rings and atmosphere and uncover a mysterious signal that leading to a hidden treasure. Then they will travel to Uranus, where they will investigate the unique ice giant and its particular magnetic field. They must also gather a rare gas sample for scientific analysis. The final stop is Neptune, where players descend into the depths of its turbulent atmosphere to retrieve a valuable resource for Earth. It is worth mentioning that players must travel to planets at the specific order their mission briefing says. After completing the mission objectives on each celestial body, players must safely return to Earth via their spaceship and through the wormhole, making the end of the interstellar adventure. On the other hand, the key interactions of this immersive story are various. Using their device's touchscreen, players can control their spaceship and travel to every planet of the solar system. They can also land on a celestial body and explore its surface, revealing scientific data and collecting samples. Also, through their trips, players have the support of mission control that gives all the information about each planet. In addition, players have the opportunity to find hidden artifacts or treasures on each planet that provide clues about the solar system's history and secrets. Also, players can collect samples and data that contributes to the mission's success. After completing the mission's objectives on its celestial body, Players must safely return to Earth via their spaceship through the wormhole, making the end of their interstellar adventure, as I said before. Um, so, uh, let's explain the idea behind this project. As I said in the introduction section, the idea to create this AR narration project, whose theme is about space exploration, came to my mind because I love space. From a young age, I was reading books about space exploration, watching sci fi movies, and playing science fiction video games. I have always wanted to discover more about our solar system and beyond. This is the reason I love space. This summer, I read a book about space and played a new video game that came out, and this is how this narration came to my mind. I have to tell you that at first I was thinking about making an immersive story about pirates and world exploration, but I decided to make a space exploration story because I believe it has more learning outcomes to offer and also provide new information to some people that might not know. So, as about the creative process of the AR narrative, I used the Zapworks designer platform for creating and programming the project. Specifically, the feature of image tracking was used for the track of the solar system image. Uh, as you can see down below in the photos, this solar system image works as a board. In this board, I put 3D models of all planets along with animations for each one. Also, I put a 3D model for the spaceship of the astronaut along with its animation. It is worth mentioning that neither of the 3D models uh, are interactable. In addition, all these models were found on Sketchfab or at Subworks platform. As you can see at the photos down below, there are all the 3D models. And also, here are some photos of the models in the left picture, and also some photos of the cards of the planet cards inside the game. Let's move on and see how these cards were made. So, on the other hand, I used the Canva platform to design all the planet cards, the X button and the sound button, as you seen before. Next, about the information part of every planet, I used Wikipedia. As for the conversation part between the captain, Astrid, and Christina, the mission control, I thought to myself about their conversations and used a free text to speech tool called Text Magic to create Christina's voice, as Astrid's voice is the player's voice. Lastly, for the buttons down of every planet card and every 3D planet, I used Zapworks provided buttons. Uh, all right, I think now is the time to move on to the learning goals of this immersive story. First of all is scientific knowledge. The AR adventure incorporates scientific facts and information about the solar system's composition, geological features, atmosphere, and more. Players can gain a foundational understanding of space science. Next is environmental adaptation. The AR experience highlights the extreme conditions of various celestial bodies, emphasizing the need for astronauts to adapt to different environments and use technology effectively. Next is teamwork and communication. The interaction with mission control underscores the importance of teamwork, communication, and collaboration in space missions. Um, in addition, we have curiosity and exploration. The narrative encourages a sense of curiosity and wonder about the universe. Sorry, motivating players to explore, question, and seek knowledge. The next one is technology and augmented reality. Players become familiar with augmented reality technology and its potential for immersive storytelling and educational experiences. And the last one is environmental awareness. The AR adventure underscores the fragility of Earth and the importance of protecting our home planet. It encourages an appreciation for Earth's unique qualities. So, in conclusion, the Galactic Explorer AR space adventure offers an immersive and educational journey through our solar system. It's a narrative that combines the thrill of space exploration with the wonder of scientific discovery. From Earth to the outer reaches of the solar system, players assume the role of Captain Astrid, a brave astronaut armed with an air visor, embarking on a mission to explore, collect data, and solve cosmic mysteries. This narrative not only captivates the imagination but also fosters a deep appreciation for the wonders of space. It encourages curiosity, critical thinking, and problem solving skills as players navigate challenging environments and interact with mission control. It's an adventure that inspires an interest in science, technology, and space exploration, making an ideal tool for STEM education. Galactic Explorer takes full advantage of augmented reality technology, immersing players in a visually stunning and scientifically accurate representation of the solar system. Through this innovative storytelling medium, players gain valuable insights into the planets, moons, and celestial phenomena that shape our cosmic neighborhood. Ultimately, Galactic Explorer AR Space Adventure serves as both an engaging entertainment experience and a getaway to learning about the marvels of the universe. It invites players of all ages to embark on a voyage of discovery, fostering a sense of wonder and curiosity that extends far beyond the boundaries of our planet. So now we have reached the end of my presentation. You can find all the references I used to find information about this project in these slides over here, here, and the last slide of references is here. And if you want, you can study more about our solar system and its planets. I want to thank you everyone for watching this presentation.